Hello, Sayuri. Hello. What's up? Wait 1 second. Thank you for joining. Can you hear me, by the way? I don't even know. It's been so long since I've streamed. Forgot my audio levels. I think I might be a bit too low. Let's see. I think you can hear me now. Is it still too loud? Or is it good now? I lowered the BGM quite a lot. Alright. Thank you. Well, yeah, I'm not gonna be doing that much. I'm trying to learn a bit of game development. And by trying, I mean I've not made anything notable. This is my first project, so yeah. Let's see how it goes. The first thing is trying to get the guy to move. Okay, wait. Let's see. The camera is right here. Thank you. It's just a hobby for now. Nothing else. Let's see the camera. Okay, the camera is here. I need to zoom in a little bit. Let's see. Okay. So yeah. I can move the character a little bit, but it's just like this. I can jump, I guess. No, I can't. Okay. Wait. I need to turn on a playlist. Right. Move down. So if event pressed, let's see. Yo, Zen Master, what's up? It's been a while, dude. Thank you for the good luck. Left, right, okay. See. This is not gonna work like this. So this is just action, okay. But get access. What if I change the position to 70? Lots of directions. Left, right. Okay, so okay, got it. Next direction, less than 0. City. This minus velocity is equals to then if I do y direction, Movement feels decent now. Let's see. Okay, so yeah, now the player should stand. Nice. And let's see if X animation dot play walk, yeah, right. What was the animation called? Oh, left walk. Left walk. Let's see. Yep. Nice. Okay. If greater than 0, animation dot play right click if wide. Now all four directions should work. Yes. Okay. Up and down is swapped for some reason. Why is it swapped? Okay, so up. Okay, let's see. Okay, it's swapped because it's the other way around. Nice. Okay, now it should work. Yep. Okay. Right. Let me just add a quick run as well. Should make it easier. What is it? Let's just do B. Okay. B. It's B. Yeah. For now, let me just do B, and it will be shift one. Oops, okay, sure. So. Yo, Kaiser, what's up? What's up? It's been a while, dude. How have you been? Okay, so to do is I have to add a run speed. Run speed. Just do 1. Should I add? Okay, 1. Okay. This else. This here. Let's see. Speed 1. Speed 2. And just okay. Oh, wait. This should be variable. Okay. Now, if I press shift, it doesn't move. Okay, wait. Okay. So if input is if I give the input of B, my run speed could bubble. Let's see. Normal? Yes. Nice. Yeah. This normal speed, this running speed. Okay. The animation probably should be a little faster as well, but I can do that later. And mostly because I don't know how to do it. Yeah, nice. Okay. So movement. Okay, should probably. I should probably fix this, the diagonal thing. But I can do this later. Okay, so this is. Because the basic movement is done. So actually, let me make a list of what I actually need to do. Do this. So the first thing is movement. Yes. Okay. Movement. It's done. Then I should make. Let's see. I should probably make an area, like at least one area to walk around. So one map. I should probably add, before adding a trainer or whatever, I should add like at least one Pokemon, and that will be a very difficult thing because a Pokemon has like a lot of different properties that I need to take account for. But okay, so I should add one map and then I'll add one Pokemon. For the Pokemon, there's a lot of things like Pokemon Sprite, their stats, movesets, and let's think of a, okay, and after I do add a Pokemon, I at least want to add one wild battle, basically. That's basically what I want to do. But even for these, there's a lot of subtasks because like an individual Pokemon, this is unique and its sprites and stats are unique, but moves are not really unique for each Pokemon, right? So basically I have to make a list of moves and give the Pokemon that move. Give one's Pokemon some moves. So if there's like, suppose flamethrower, okay, let me do it like Animation, I can, but the thing is, animation is very difficult. I'd like to just get the main. I'd like to focus on the visuals later. The first thing I want to do is actually get the systems in place, and then I can do the visuals. Yes. So it kind of works like this. Let's say I have Pikachu. Okay, let me make a table. Actually, it's a slash table. Okay, the table doesn't work. What do I do? Okay, no, I can do a table. Okay, so slash table. Let's say this will be the Pokemon. Let's say Pikachu. Stats, then movesets, and stats. Okay, stats. Right. So like, let's say I have a lot of moves, right? So flamethrower, Thunderbolt. Let's just say tail whip. I don't know, tackle. And ice beam. It's like these are a list of moves, but these are not unique to a Pokemon, right? See, it's like I can just drag and drop flamethrower for Pikachu. I can do this, but I can do the same thing for, let's say, Venusaur. So because different Pokemon can use the same move. Both Pikachu and Venusaur can have tackle, but only Pikachu can have Thunderbolts. So I have to make the moves their own thing and basically drag and drop them for each Pokemon. Of course, I'm not going to implement every single one, and the only thing I'm going to do is like make it up to Brock, basically. But yeah, that's the general goal, that I have to make moves their own individual things and just make a system where I can sort of drag and drop these on each Pokemon. But the Pokemon themselves, they will be unique. And I probably need to do something for abilities as well, but Gen 1 doesn't have abilities, so let's just not think about that. Okay, so movement is done. Make one map. Map is going to be quite difficult because oh, do you have experience with animations? Or have you had any experience with game development before? Okay, so let's see. I've made the player, so next up, just add one map. So let's see, tile, map, player. Let me do tile set. Okay, so let's see. Okay, this is gonna be a pain. I see. So this is gonna be a pain in the ass. I found this online, so okay. I found this online and it's not really organized, so that's kind of problem. Okay, so I should be able to use these. These seem like normal tiles. Let's see. Okay. So if I just go here and paint this, let's see. So if I just do this, there we go. It's just a very, I know the character's head is cutting off, but that's what I have to do because these are not my custom sprites. I just downloaded them online, so I just have to live with the character's head being cut off. But I don't want to make this like extremely precise so that it's not fun anymore. But yeah, so yeah, there is the basic map. Let's add a few grass and buildings as well. Let's see. Let me go to. Let's just call this background for now. Okay. Let me add a few grass here. Let's add this tree. Let's see, I can add a sign here. Let's add this cave, because why not? Yeah. Okay, now this cave is a bit of an issue. Let's add this house. Okay, I need to just edit it a little bit. Let me see. Need to make the margins. Oh shoot, okay, I have to change everything. Fuck. See, this is the problem with downloading things online. It never just works out exactly as you wish, and I can probably still fix it, but I actually have no idea how I do it. Yes, let me see. What else can I add? That doesn't need me to tamper with this. Hello, XD. Hello. Okay, so I'm gonna try to actually explain it. Okay, so I'm actually gonna try to explain the logic. Let's see. Let me go to the drawing board. How do I make this full screen? Is that Godot? Yeah, it's Godot. I felt like Godot was the best, probably the best one that I could start with. Okay. So, okay. Let's see. This is a pain in the ass. I don't want to do this anymore. These tiles, okay. These tiles are annoying. I can probably fix it, but it's gonna be way too much of a hassle. For now, let me just okay, I can get this house. Yeah, I can get this house. Okay. Okay, yeah. Why not? Okay, this. Yo, Lan, what's up? What's up? It's been a while since I've streamed. Finally, the chat is working out working for you? How have you been, dude? Are you gonna save that live stream to watch it later? I don't plan to save it, but if you want, then sure, why not? The problem is that I just might accidentally dox myself because I'm just sharing my entire screen, and I'm being very careful of what to show. I even downloaded a new browser. Oh shit. Oh, yo Zach, what's up? What's up? Is this your YouTube name? Because like I don't think I've ever seen this name before. Okay. What else? What else can I add? Okay, let me. I can probably add this. Wait. Yeah, I can probably add the mountains. Wait. Can I? Oh. I see. Yeah. How have you been, man? The old crew's back. Dang, it's been so long since I've streamed. I'm streaming on YouTube this time because Twitch just eats up so much resource, and since I'm sharing my entire screen, I did the same thing when I first turned it into a Saxler stream, and it was just my real name. Oh yeah, yeah. And I didn't recognize. Yeah, I miss your Twitch username though, Lan. That's probably my favorite. Bushes? Oh shit. Bushes, yeah, probably, yeah. Okay, I can't wait. Let me just adjust it a little. Okay, no. I can, but I don't want to. Too much work. Okay, no, I can add this. Let's see. Okay, what else? Let me just add a few more grass and call it a day, dude. I don't like designing these. Let's see. Fuck. Where? Okay. Okay, this should be good for now. But as you can see, roads, yes I can, but as I said, it's going to be a bit problematic. As you can see, I can't collide with anything, so next up we have to add collision. Like I'm just going right over it. So I basically have to tell the engine that, okay, if you see this and my player comes next to it, just don't let the player collide with this. Okay. Do I remember how to do that? Probably not really. But let's see. Okay. So first I need to add a physics. How do I add this? Tile set, physics layers, add physics, okay. Okay. Then what I have to do is I have to tell my game that, okay, if you see this, don't let the player interact. Which is select property, physics layer. Okay, so I have to give this physics. Okay, specifically, just make it a bit. Just this side. Okay, done. This. Done. Now, if I go and try to, I just added basically physics to the tree. So now if I go, I can still add it because I have not changed the physics for my player. Wait. How do I do this? Collision layer 2, right? Or this, something like this. Nope, it doesn't work. Why doesn't it work? Let me see. Background player. Okay. Is that a different tree that I just added physics to? Let me see. Shouldn't be, it should be the same tree. Let me try it with a sign. But the physics, is this for a school project or just for fun? It's just for fun. Me trying to learn it. I can probably use it for a project, but just me. And I was thinking that, okay, so since I have some knowledge about games, why not try it? And I see, it's like I study computer science, and since this is sort of related to computer science, okay, not sort of, almost the very integrally, like the foundation is related to computer science. The animation, not really, but making the player move and the mechanics and everything, that is related to computer science. And so yeah, just for fun. Let me see, okay. But the physics, okay, I mean, the lower part of the tree will be better. Yeah, it will. Okay, I understand what you mean, yeah. But okay, let me try to add physics to the sign. This is the sign, right? Yeah. So let's see. If I add it here, what happens? Okay. Okay, see, it works for the sign, but not for the tree. Why not for the tree? I don't know. I think it might be a different tree. That's why it doesn't work. But it does work for the sign. Even though it's a little bit janky, it works. Yeah, it's a little bit janky, but it works. Okay. Okay. Okay, let me fix the jankiness a little bit. Okay, it's janky because the physics layer is not done properly. Okay. Make it. I chose Pokemon because the systems are... Can't you just click on the tree, can I? Nothing really happens when I do. Oh, okay, yeah, it's definitely a different tree because if you see the tile here on the left, the tile is a bit different. So yeah, it's definitely the tree. A different tree, I mean. That's why the physics isn't working. Okay. So now if I do this, it should be a little less janky. Yeah. 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 Okay. So this should be good enough. Okay, let me just add collision for the bushes as well. Then we can move on. Bushes and the house. Okay. So is this the bush? Yes, it is. Okay. Well, that's good enough. And the house. This is the house. Okay, just that. Okay. So. Okay. Now I can collide with the bushes and the house, right? Yep. Yep. Okay. Nice. This? No, okay. The tree trunk and the tree. Let me just find this and add this. Which tree? This is the tree, probably. The trunk is this one, right? Or another one? No, not this one. Bushes, and yeah, okay. Good enough. Okay, so the second one is done, one map. Now I have to make the Pokemon, and that is actually quite difficult. Because if I try to explain the logic a little bit, it's like Pokemon are unique in the sense that, see, each Pokemon themselves is unique, right? So if I have something like Pikachu has its stats, has its own stats, but the moves it has aren't unique, right? So it's like Pikachu and let's just say Charmander. Both have their own stats, but both can share moves. See, both can share moves. So let's say if I have Tackle and I have Tail Whip, both of these Pokemon can learn Tackle or Tail Whip. Both of them can learn this. The problem will be if I have something like Thunderbolt. Pikachu can learn Thunderbolt, but Charmander can't. So what I have to do is I basically have to make sort of like something like a bucket, and one bucket will be for Pokemon, and that's where Pikachu and his own stats will be in their own boxes. And then what I have to do is I have to make another bucket that's called moves. And then I basically have to make a system that drags in the moves for each Pokemon. Because if I don't, then I have to basically code and make tackle every single time for each Pokemon. And that'll just take up way too much resource and time. I hope that made sense. If anyone was following. Types. Oh yeah, definitely as well. So the thing is, another thing with, you can do this with type as well. See, because types once again aren't unique. Pokemon can share types, and I don't want to code abilities because Gen 1 doesn't have abilities. But yeah, types like fire, normal, electric are all unique, so I have to make their own thing. If I don't, then basically I have to write the same thing for Pikachu and Charmander. Let's say I have to, let's just think of the code as like English lines, right? So let's say make Pikachu, give Pikachu, let's say tackle, make tackle do 50 damage, and then let's just think of this one thing, right? And then for Charmander, what I have to do is I have to do this all again. Like, see, like make Charmander, give Charmander tackle, and then make tackle do 50 damage. See these lines, this last two line, I have to do this twice, right? And this is just inefficient because there's just one move. But think about Pokemon that can learn like what, over 20 moves, and think about like 1,000 Pokemon. So this is very inefficient. So rather than doing this, what I can do is I can just make tackle its own thing, right? Make tackle its own thing, then does 50 damage. So when I do this, I don't really have to write this line. See, I can just write these two lines, and then both of them will have tackle that does 50 damage. I think that's quite easy to understand, and yeah, I mean, I'm just giving a basic example of damage, and that there will be ability as well. Tackle, side effects, abilities, and accuracy, different things. But this is just a basic example of why I'm separating Pokemon and moves. I hope if Lan and Zach are following, I hope this is understandable. I'm saying this because, you know, like, I'm also trying to better articulate my thoughts. So I thought this was a decent enough practice for that. And if you're not following, then it's fine. Yeah. So yeah, that's why, as I said, that's why I just do this. And if you just, if we think about accuracy, see, I wrote this, right? Make tackle do 50 damage. Then I would have to write make tackle like 80% accurate. And I have to write descriptions for all the moves every single time I make the move. So yeah, it's just more efficient. That's it. Okay, so this is going to be quite difficult. So how do I go about doing this? Do I make the moves first or the Pokemon first? Let's make the Pokemon first. So yeah, thank you. Thanks for following me. Thanks. I appreciate it. Okay, so let's make the okay. So let's make the Pokemon first. I'll call this Master. Am I calling this Master? Let me just call this Pokemon. So this will be a script. Thank you both. Thank you. So I'll save this here. Okay. Okay. Yeah. So I'm not familiar with GDScript, but I have coded in Python a lot for a while. So I'm just gonna use class. I'm gonna make a class for each Pokemon. Do I write class like this? I don't even know how you write class in Godot. Let me see. Do I do it things like this? It's name. Hey. Is this okay? Does not seem like it. Unexpected parameter name. Yeah, this does not seem like it. Okay. Time to look up how to make class in Godot. Let's see. Fuck ads. Oh. I need to use the class name variable. Class name. Do I do this? Expected end of statement after class name statement found clone instead. Okay, so do I just do this? Okay, this is correct. So if I do this, then do I just write normally, or how do I do this? Let me define a function called so I want to have each Pokemon at its own object or its own node. I think an object will be better. Or let's see. Eight Pokemon. Name, stats, HP. Or wait. What time is it? Holy shit. Let's see. Yeah, I know what parameters I want, but I'm thinking of how I'm going to implement this for, let's say, 10 Pokemons. I can make a Pokemon class and then add to the different Pokemon. Okay, let's see. Let me create a node. Let me call this Pikachu. Okay, let me call this Pikachu. And okay, So let me first just, okay, I don't have a sprite. Let me create a script for this. Do I create a script for each Pokemon? No, that seems wrong. Numbers? What do you mean? Oh shit, the song's over. Make every Pokemon its number. Oh yeah, Pokedex, yes. Yes, I will. But that's going to be a property. What I'm thinking is, like, you know how I said I'm gonna make this bucket? I'm thinking of how actually I'm going to implement this bucket. Like, I know the general idea, but I don't know how to do it. Yeah. I will. This is what I'm thinking for now. So, like, how do I actually implement this bucket? I know how to do this in, like, a non-gaming engine, non-Godot thing. But in Godot, I'm not actually sure. The first time I started using Godot was like 2 days ago, so yes. Let me think. Oh, okay. First, let me turn on some other music. There's no PGR stuff here. Okay, in my memory, why not? Press the wrong button. Okay, naming a class, a keyword to global scope. The newly created class will be available in other .gd files and scenes in Godot, yes. Do I really have to make a script for each Pokemon? I feel like that's kind of counterintuitive. Let's see. Enemy system in Godot. You know what, for now, since I just have this idea, I probably just should do this. Why not? Just make a script. Later on, if I find anything better, then I can probably just use this. Okay, Pikachu. Okay. So, let me make Pikachu HP. Okay, HP. Let's see. So far, HP. Let me just make this 100. Okay. And then make everything 100. So there are 6 stats: HP, attack, defense, special attack, special defense, and speed. So HP, attack, defense, special attack, special defense. Hurricane speed will be a similar. Speed. Well. So if I do this seems very counterintuitive, but this is the only thing I can think of for now. This is what I'm gonna do, and okay. Okay, so and I'm also going to have to make a move. It's for now, okay. Let me just for now forget one move and a Pokemon to appear on the screen and attack, and then we can go from there. Wait, is the music too loud now, or is it good? Let's see. Moves I'll make. Flamethrower. Do 10 damage, why not? This song really isn't good for thinking because my mind just like when the drop hit, just oh shoot. My ability to think just went away. This is better for thinking. Actually, I probably should have just let the song finish because it's so good. Okay, I think I may have something. Yes, I think I may have something. Wait. So, okay, I'm gonna do something. And what I'm gonna do is... Let me think. Okay. I've never... Okay. Okay, okay. Let me see if what I thought of makes any sense. I'm thinking of a lot of things, but the problem is that in Godot, I have no idea how to implement this. Okay, so I need to give the player a Pokemon. So how I'm going to do this is I'm going to bring Pokemon here. Yeah, definitely. Good night, good night. I should sleep as well. It's 6 a.m. I haven't slept all night. You know what? You know, it's been long enough. Just let me just not sleep anymore. I'm already past. I'm already past the time when sleeping might be any helpful. Okay, so oh, you guys know each other? Nice. Today I actually at least want to end the stream off with just making Pikachu appear on the screen. Wait, how long has it been? Yeah, one. Okay, so how I want to do this is I have no idea, but we will figure it out. Let's see. So, oh, you know Arabic? I see, nice. Let's see, okay. So, what I want to do is... You know what? Let me see, let me just work on getting Pikachu on screen, yes. So, let me go to my main scene. I want to add a... Area 2D node. Let me see. I want to add an Area 2D. Is the Area 2D node? Is this the Area 2D node? I can't even fucking see, dude. Okay, yeah, this is the Area 2D node. Okay. So, what I want to do is... This is what I want to do. So, let me make it here. What I want to do is when my player walks to this patch of grass... I don't know if you can see my mouse. So when he walks to this patch of grass, I want to initiate a battle. And we'll see what we do from there. Okay, so let me just make something happen when my player touches this. That's the first goal. So for that I have to add a collision. Okay, collision shape. Let me make the shape a rectangle. Make this a little smaller. Okay. So what I have to do is... Okay, so... Area 2D. Body entered. Okay, so what I have to do is I have to send out a signal. I have to send out a signal to my player that, okay, dude, the character has reached this specific patch of grass, the one that's in blue. So see, this is actually called a signal. So okay, I'm sending the signal to my player. And what I want to do is when the signal when my player is on the signal, first let's just print something. And by print, I mean print no. So basically, what will happen is when I go into that patch of grass, my console will say no. Okay, you know what? Say signal received. So this is what will happen. When I walk into this specific patch of grass, my console, or like this program, should tell me signal received. And let's see if it does. See? Signal received. So I have detected that my character has reached this place. Okay, good enough. So now I have to do more than actually receiving and just writing signal received. I have to change the scene to a battle scene and then display Pikachu. So okay, first step done. Now I have to change the scene. How do I change the scene? I don't really know, but let's see. Let me make it a battle scene. Okay. Let me go 2D. Let me save this. Let me save the battle scene. Okay, so let me just make the battle scene quite simple. Just make a white screen and then I will pop Pikachu on top. Let's see. Tile map. Okay. Tile map layer. The new tile set. Tile set. What was this? Character overworld. This was it, right? Okay, so what's the white thing I can use? Okay, this is white. I can use this. Okay, yeah, I can use this. Let's see. Let me just paint all over this screen. Where's the rectangle? Okay. So what should happen is, when I load the game in, what should happen is when okay, first let's just try to get this white screen on. So when I go into that patch of grass, what I did last time was I just printed out or I just wrote a text that said signal received. But what I want to do now is when I reach this patch of grass, I want to change my screen to that white screen. I'm not really sure how I do it, but let's see. Area 2D. Okay, so when player enters this, wait. When the player, rather than, okay, so I have to search. Where is it? Godot. How to change themes with script. Please don't be ads. Okay. Get on level 2 button pressed. Change scene to file. Okay. Change scene to file. do I just do this? Get free dot change scene to let's change it to battle scene. It should work now. I think this should work now. Yes! Very cool. Nice. Okay. Okay, so I've changed the scene. Okay, that's step 1 done. Now what I have to do is I changed the scene fine, but I now have to, so let's just think of Pikachu on the left side here, and then I'll have to show the moves, let's just say on the right side here. It doesn't have to be anything fancy, I just have to show the move so that I can click it. And then we will work on the enemy. The enemy will of course be another Pikachu because I don't want to implement like 2 Pokemon. But let's see. Wait. We are done with this. Okay. Let's go back to this battle scene now. Okay, so when I am on battle scene, what do? I made this screen, so what I have to do now is I have to drop in Pikachu here. So for that I need Pokemon. See, this is what I meant. I just want to drag and drop so that it just becomes easier. I have Pokemon here, and for Pokemon I'll specifically get Pikachu. But how do I get Pikachu? I don't know. Let's see. There's a pretty good video out there that I just saw, but I kind of forgot. Okay, so basically, okay, so when this thing loads, I want Pikachu. So I haven't given Pikachu a sprite, so let me give the sprite later. First, let me just give Pikachu his actual name. Let's see, bar name Pikachu. And the logic behind this is if I can display the name, display Pikachu's name, then I can display his sprite. And what's wrong here? Okay, it's saying the name is the same, so let's write 1. Right? Or name redefined original Pokemon name. Okay, I think I just okay. Let's see. So for the battle scene, what I want to do is when it's out, let me get a label here. Label. The label to be right here. Let me just say player Pokemon. Player Pokemon. Where's the label? Let me put the name right here. Make this a little bit bigger. So what I want to do right now is okay. So when I load in, I basically what I want to do is I want to make the player Pokemon text equals to, let me just say Pikachu for now and let's see what happens. Let me just manually write Pikachu. But later on I want this to be something like a variable. What's wrong here? Not declared within the current space. Okay, I wrote it wrong. Okay, should be good enough. So if it displays Pikachu, then I write go here, come here. Does not display Pikachu. Why not? Let me see. What's up? What's up? It might display, but it might just be too small. I think it's too small. Let me increase the font size. How do I do that? Where's the font? Where's the font? Where's the font? Or what I should do is I should make a camera. And make the camera zoom in. Let's zoom in like 4 times. Then let me grab the text. Center. It's just not showing, or I think it might be because of font. Wait, let me see. Colors, font color will be black. Font size, I think it's, yeah, it's way too small. Let me see, let me make this bigger. Make it 100. Wait, where did you go? Oh, okay. I know why. Okay, yeah. That's it. So the problem was that the background was loading in before. See, like this is the battle background, right? The problem was that the text was loading in before the battle background. So it was kind of like something like this, that the text would load in, but what would happen is the background would just go on top of it. Something like this. Is it the name was underneath the background, so that was the issue. Okay. So now what I do is I change the color of the font. How do I do that? Okay. I change the color of the font to black. Make it a little bit. Make it a little bit smaller. Place it right. Place it right here. Okay. So I will remove the text, but what should happen is Pikachu should still display, I think. Yes, it does. Nice. Okay. So we got the name Pikachu to display, which is another step done. It's a bit blurry, and I think it might be because this. You know what? It's probably because we aren't using a custom font and it's doing something. But we don't have to worry about the blurriness for now. Let's just get this working. But before that, I need to go to the bathroom real quick. So I'll be back. Hey, I'm back. See? The, the second guy who's in the stream, show yourself. It's probably me. Like my own account. Okay, let's see. So the goal right now is to do what? Okay, the goal right now is to display the Pokemon and the move. That's it. Okay, I don't think I actually have the Pokemon sprites, so let me see. Let me see if I can grab it. Pikachu, Pokemon Red, sprite. Okay. Let's see. Can I grab a specific Pokemon? I probably can't. Wait 1 second. I'm gonna turn off display, then I'm gonna grab the Pokemon. Okay, we're back. So, let's see. What I want to do right now is I want to give Pikachu a sprite. Let's see. Pokemon, go Pikachu. I want to give him a sprite. So that's a sprite 2D. Okay. Do I want to make both a front and back sprite? Not really. For now, let me just make the front. Let me just make the back one actually. Let's see, back sprite. Okay. How do I do this? Okay. Let's see. So this is the back sprite, I'm pretty sure, right? Yes. So I need to make a new image texture, portable, I don't know exactly what. Let me just drag this all the way here and let's see. Okay, so I need to only find and use Pikachu somehow. I have no idea how. I see. The thing is, I don't use the sprite, this specific feature. Okay, so okay, I think I can do this right. This. Wait. What if I increase this? I can't increase this. Oh, okay, yeah. This oh, yeah, okay. Got it. Okay. So now I have to find Pikachu. Where's Pikachu? Here. This is Pikachu, right? Okay. So let me count first. So there's 1 2 3 4 5 6 7 8 9 10 11 12 13 14, right? And 14 by 1 2 3 4 5 6 7 8 9 10 11 14 by 22. So the horizontal is 14, vertical is 22. Yeah, see, that just leaves me with Bulbasaur. So now I have to find Pikachu here. And there we go. There is Pikachu. Okay. I need to do the offset a little bit. Let me see. The Y offset. Nope. How do I crop? Can I crop? Crop. I can't crop. What? We just have to live with this blue outline because that's what the texture pack came with basically. Okay. Now the question is, how do I access this? I have to go to my battle and then basically access this. Okay, it is already here, but this cannot be already here. It's already here because I have this. I don't have a toggle to basically turn on and off. So for the battle scene, I have to move his position. Why can't I move? Let me see. Can I access? Let's see. So I'm gonna get Pokemon. Let's see. Let me get Pokemon. Dot. Can I get Pikachu from this? Dot. Or do I have to write it like this? Dot sprite attribute access. Okay, how do I grab this? The scene. Pikachu dot back sprite equals and the dot. Enabled equals to false. Is this something I can write? Seems like I can. Let's see. So what should happen now is if I go into that grass. Okay, never mind. Okay, no, good. Okay, this is good. This is good. When I go into that grass, what should happen is the game would crash. Okay, let's see. That's not what should happen. Okay, let me see. Invalid access to property or key Pikachu on a base object of type no 2D Pokemon. Okay, so for Pokemon, what if... Okay, no, I can't. This is getting a little bit boring. Let's see. Let's play this. Man. Remember self player underscore Pokemon. Let me see self. Okay, what if? No, it's the piano version. Let's see. I think I gotta use ChatGPT now. Hold on, let's see Gemini. Let's see. So it's just a quicker way for what I can access. So let me see what I want to write. In Godot, I have a Pokemon scene that has Pikachu as a child node of the root. How do I access Pikachu that is not a scene from Pokemon in another scene? Dude, don't give me a code, dude. Let me see. Extends node 2D. Get function to get the Pikachu node. Pikachu. This is. Yeah, this doesn't seem very helpful. So how do we do this? Let's see, when I write Pokemon dot, what happens? Dot Pokemon, sure. Dot. Let's see. Get child. Is this something I can do? No. Is this something I can do? What does get child do? Let me see. To fetch a node, okay. Fetches a node by node. Okay. So do I write this? Pokemon dot get node. Is there something called get node? Yes. Can I just say Pikachu? Is this something I can do? Seems like it. So if I store this in a variable and then I do this, a dot name. Is this something I can do? Let's see. Ignore this for now. Okay. Okay, okay. I think it works, right? Wait. So... I will know it works if... See how it... Ignore... Okay. You know what? Okay. I think I got it. So let me turn it off by default. How do I turn it off by default? Main 2D scene. Why is it showing here? What is this a part of? Yeah, players. I think it's showing from the player. Pokemon. Yes. Pikachu, there's back sprite. But how do I turn it off? Do I need to do anything here? Actually, I don't think I need this. I can just delete this, I think. Let me just make sure that I can delete this. Okay, I can delete this. So... Okay, so as I was saying, I will know it works if I just do something like this. If I, let's just say add 1. If the game displays Pikachu 1, then I will know it works. So I'll go here. Yes, it does Pikachu 1. So it actually works. So I think we got it. Okay. Okay, we got it. Nice. So now what I have to do is, so this is, I'll rename this to Pokemon 1. Just say player P1. Just say player P1. Okay. So what I have to do now is move the position of this guy. I can actually... there probably is a better way to do this, but I'm just gonna do this like this. So player P1 dot X position dot X equals to save it. Space character. What's up? What happened? Used space character for indentation in the tab before the file. Okay. So let's see, player Pokemon dot position dot X 500. Change the Y to 500 and let's see what happens when I do this. So I'm gonna move it to here and it doesn't change it. Oh, okay. That's just blatantly wrong. I don't want the position, I want the back sprite, right? So player P1 dot back sprite dot this is sprite dot get node back sprite there like this BACK SPRITE PACK SPRA. Oh, so bar. Then what I want to do is I want to make the sprite position was like 500, then Y, let's make it 500. Okay, the Pikachu moved. I don't know where it moved, but I mean the sprite, it did move. Not sure where, but it did. So it seems to be working. Whatever I'm doing seems to be working. Okay, yeah. See, it's moving. Okay. So I think if I just increase this sprite dot scale, let's make it 10. Okay. So it's a little scuffed, definitely a little scuffed, but I think we got it. It's not the prettiest, but see, there's the name here, and yeah, this is a sprite. And for the opponent, we just have to do the same thing, but on this side. So yeah, for today, I think that might be decent enough. It's like almost 7. Yes. I think the smoothest thing is definitely the player movement. This is the smoothest one because this is the only thing that I've done before. The other things are just all just winging it. So what I did prior, if I just show you. Let me see, how do I like close this project? I don't know. Let's see, Godot. So this is, I followed a video basically before doing this, and this is the thing that I made. So the only thing that I can do is movement and collision basically. And again, this is all custom. The sprites, not made by me. So yeah. So yeah, that's basically it. Let's see, I might do another stream again. I'm not sure when or how or if I will. Tonight I just wanted to do something. So yes. I think that's going to be it. Okay. Thank you so much, Sayuri. You were basically here the entire time, and I really appreciate it. Yes, I'm going to end the stream off here, though. I'm so hungry, shit. No, I mean, it was mostly me just trying to make sense of what I'm doing. So yeah, see ya.